Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make GPU run at 100% on your Windows 11. So let me directly get into this. So the first one is all about directly navigate to the settings and navigate to settings. Now from here go to system. Now from here navigate to the display, and over here you have to scroll down and navigate to the graphics, and from here click on advanced graphics settings. And make sure the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on, and you have to turn it on. If it is turned off, turn this on, then you have to check. Similarly, what you need to do is you just need to go over here, and if you have any particular game that you wanted to run it on 100% on a GPU, for example Battlefield 6, what I need to do is once the battlefield is here, you have to click on the 3, you can click on the vertical icon here, and you can see by default this would be let Windows aside. So that is the reason why it is not been running on 100% of the GPU. So what you need to do is just click on this drop down arrow here and click on high performance, which will be running on 100% on the GPU over here, and you can do this up. Similarly, this can be done for any game, app, whatever it is, and if you don't find any app, we need to add it by default, so just add it manually. So just click on add desktop app. For example, if it's any kind of app, you can just add it from the game installation directory or where it is installed, and once you add it, just make this particular change, and that might work in some cases as well. Still, if you're having the trouble, you can just go over here on the gaming and navigate to the gaming mode and make sure this is turned on. This is very important, and this should be turned on. That might work as well. Make sure you have to close this and directly navigate to the control options over here. Directly navigate to the control panel. Now from here, click on the power options here. Now from here, make sure that is set into from the balancer, you have to set into the high performance. And once you set into the high performance, you have to make sure once you set this to high performance, you have to check whether it's been using your maximum performance or not. Still, if you're having the trouble, this is for the Nvidia users. Just go over here, right click, and directly navigate to the show more options and go to the Nvidia control panel. Now once you get into the Nvidia control panel, just wait for a bit of time. Now go over here, click on the program setting, and first and foremost step is all about just make sure you have to set up everything okay. For the game that you wanted to play, just make sure that you add the respective game here in which you wanted to play with 100% GPU, and afterwards just click on adjust image searching with the preview over here, and you can see this has been set into use the advanced image setting. So most probably this has been quality. So what I'm saying is we can just change into use my preference emphasizing and bring this to the performance here, and then change it back to use the advanced 3D settings, and you can just go ahead apply and you can check it out. So these are the steps, and that's going to help you guys out when it comes to how to make it run the GPU run at 100% on your Windows 11 for the best performance. I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.